Moana set sail aboard her trusty outrigger canoe, unaware of the mystical journey that lay ahead. Carried by the ocean breeze, she drifted towards an uncharted land known only in folklore as Dream Island. Surrounded by twinkling stars and a sense of enchantment, Moana felt both excitement and curiosity tingling in her veins. Upon reaching the sandy shores, Moana encountered her first surprise, a colossal creature named Azeroth. With the strength of mountains and a heart as gentle as a summer breeze, the oversized turtle became both a guide and a guardian to Moana. Azeroth was friendly and wise, often comforting Moana with tales of the island's secrets. The island itself was a mystical place where fairies fluttered among brilliant flora. These fairies, no taller than a sunflower, had wings that shimmered like rainbows. They sang songs that echoed through the trees. Their leader, a wise fairy named Lumina, took a special interest in Moana, sensing the courage and kindness within her. Adventure on Dream Island was ceaseless. Moana, with her friends Azeroth and Lumina, discovered hidden caves lined with crystals that cast dazzling lights and waterfalls that sang ancient songs. They encountered playful challenges like racing the swift winds or deciphering the melodious whispers of the enchanted forest. However, not all was peaceful on Dream Island. Villains lurked in shadows, seeking to disrupt the harmony. The chief among them was Sable, a cunning sorceress with a thirst for power over the island's magic. She sought to enslave the fairies and use their magic to bend the island to her will. Moana, Azeroth, and Lumina formed a formidable trio, imposing wit, strength, and magic to thwart Sable's henchmen. With each adventure, Moana's bonds with her companions grew stronger, and so did her resolve to protect the island. The final showdown happened at the heart of a sacred grove, where Sable attempted to harness the island's energy. Moana, using all her skills and the support of her friends, engaged in a battle of will and wisdom. Through clever strategy and unyielding spirit, Moana outsmarted Sable, preserving the harmony of Dream Island. With peace restored, Moana knew she had to bid farewell to her new friends. But as she set sail once more, Lumina promised that the bonds of friendship extended beyond oceans and time. Moana sailed away, her heart filled with memories and a promise of return, knowing that Dream Island would always welcome her back in its magical embrace.